Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming this What's in My Freelance Makeup Artist bag. I'm going to basically just go through everything that's inside the bag and show you all the stuff that I use, all the products that I use, and the different compartments. So let's get started. I also wanted to mention that I did film a video a couple of hours ago on this look. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned for that video coming up. This is the front of the bag. It's the Saya Beauty bag, and I saw this bag originally on a YouTube video from another YouTuber that I'm subscribed to. So that's where I got the idea to even get the bag. It's a really amazing bag, so let's just jump into it. This is what it looks like from the front, and the way that you open it is there's these two clips right here. Open it from there, and then there's also two more clips on the sides. So just unclip them from there. And then it opens up like this. So it has like this kind of a lid type of a deal. I'm gonna get to that in a second. But while we're right here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's on the side. First thing on the side is I have two aprons that I like to wear just so I don't get my clothes dirty when I'm doing clients. And then on this very bottom one, just not too special. Let me kind of angle you down a bit. But in this bottom one here, I have an extra strap. This strap is just used on the top to use to carry the bag, but I definitely won't be carrying it, probably not, because it's super heavy already, so I just like to keep it on the rolling wheels. And then from this side, there's two other medium-sized compartments. And then in this first one, I just have wipes and lotion. So, whoop, in here just in case one of my clients or I myself needs to use it. And of course, wipes. And then on the other side, I just keep a thing of hand sanitizer. For the top, it opens up like this. And then it has these two straps here on the sides to like keep it from going all the way back. And at the very top, it has this removable brush belt. I really don't use it because I already have my own brush belt, but I do keep dirty brushes that I've already used at the top just to keep them separate from my clean ones. So starting here at the top, this top part probably stops like right to here, so it's about a good 3 inches thick or 3 inches deep. I'll just show you what I have inside, and then I'll show you how deep it goes once it gets up. I just have makeup wedges, disposable makeup wedges. I have this really cool tool that I got for Christmas from my little brother. You kind of put it on your arm like this, and then you can put extra brushes here. I guess if you're like blending or whatever. It's like material where you can wipe off your brush and I guess use other colors on it. So it's really, really cool. Really like that. Then I have a bag of glitter. Most of my glitters are NYX or JCat. So in this bag, I have some random highlighting products. I just have this Melanie Mills liquid highlighter in deep gold, and then two other highlighting products by Vintage, and this is by Jessica Lebeskind, I guess. And I like to keep a mirror in my bag, just in case my clients want to look at themselves. And then I also have my own brush belt that I like to use. It has like the little clip on it and everything, so I can clip it on my waist. And I just, yeah, it's from MAC, and which is where I work. That's why I wanted it, because I wanted one just like the one I use at work every day. But yeah, and it has like, I like to keep these extra clips just to clip my client's hair back and of course just the basics that you would keep in a brush belt. Okay, and then the rest of the stuff in this is in this top compartment are my palettes. So I have this one highlight and contour palette. Nothing special. It's just any highlighter contour palette from, I think I got these from like a beauty convention in my local area, and they just sell like kind of like off-brand type of makeup, and I just bought a bunch of stuff all at once. Gets the job done and it really works. So yeah, I just got that. And then I got I also have this e.l.f. Highlighting and contouring type of a palette, more so a contouring palette. But yeah, I got that because I thought it would be really nice to use. Don't know why I have so many contour palettes. Okay, so then I have this blush palette from BH Cosmetics. Yeah, BH Cosmetics comes in handy. I have, these last three palettes are eyeshadow palettes. So I have this one from Kara Cosmetics. Really nice. I have this one from Beauty Creations, and this one's more of a palette. And then lastly, I have this 352 eyeshadow palette. And it just has all of my colorful eyeshadow palettes just for basically any look. So it has tons of colors in there. So yeah, that's what the inside. Okay, so moving on to the bottom portion, you have these two zippers on the sides that come down like this. And it reveals these really nice looking drawers. This helps organize my kit so much. This is why I wanted this bag, and this is why what gravitated me towards it. I also have this pouch here at the bottom part, and in it I just keep extra brushes in these little compartments. And I think I have Halloween makeup that I have here as well, costume makeup. But yeah, lots of storage in this thing. That's what I really love about it as well. In this top compartment, I have all of my foundations. I use the Clinique Beyond Perfecting. I have one that says Pore Refining, but I just got it because I needed this color. And I have one Cover FX foundation, but I got it because I needed this color as well. So yeah, that's what I have on top. In this one, I have all of my concealers. The concealers that I use are the LA Pro Girl Concealer. And these are really amazing. I have a few color correcting ones. Originally, I started out with just these three Rimmel London ones. And I was doing all of my clients with these three different shades. If you think you don't have enough in your kit, don't worry, it takes time to build it up because everything is basically coming out of your pocket. So yeah, I only started out with 3 concealers, and right now I have a few more, so that's really good. So speaking of not having as many products, I actually only have 3 powders. I have one light foundation and one dark foundation, and these are both from Ofra. They literally just say light and dark. So yeah, I have those 2, and then I have this RCMA translucent powder. Highly, highly, highly recommend. You know, you don't really need that many powders, but this one, if you have at least one translucent powder, that's really great. Comes in handy. So yeah. In this bottom compartment, I have pretty much my everyday usage for makeup application. I have some moisturizer, a little mini lip, Vaseline lip care. I have this eye cream. I have a pair of eyelash scissors. I have a brow brush thing. This is from Benefit. I think this is like a sample size. Eyeliners, eyebrow pencil. I have an eyebrow shaper. I have a little tube of Hourglass Veil. What's this? Primer. I have some Ofra gel eyeliner, another primer, Smashbox primer. Oh, out of frame, sorry. I have another Smashbox primer. Pretty much just everything, everyday use. Okay, so in this next side, I have all of my lip products, and again, you don't have to have a ton of products. If you start off with just a few, that's fine, and they all don't have to be high-end. I don't have any. I think I actually only have this one high-end lipstick, and I think it's just because I bought it for myself and I ended up not liking it or whatever it is. Out of 10, most people just want something either red, burgundy, or nude. That's what I've come across in my experience. So then in this next one, I have lip liners, just a bunch of lip liners, and I keep eyelashes in here. I do like to buy multi-packs, and I also love to use the Ardell brand. They're really great. Use the natural, or the demi ones. Well, it's the natural multi-pack, but I use the demi version and then the demi wispy version. Then in this compartment, I basically just have like miscellaneous tools that I might need. I have some little like cotton rounds. I have my shadow shields. I highly recommend to use eyeshadow shields because they help with fallout. I have my mascara wands, and I have my lip brush wands. Oops, they're falling out. I also have some tape just in case I want to cut off the edge, and obviously a bunch of cotton swabs. In this last drawer, I just keep all of my products that I use to clean or sanitize. So I have some makeup remover just in case the client needs this makeup remover, for whatever reason. We put something on they don't like, you can always start over. I have a bottle of alcohol so I can sanitize all my brushes. I like to spray my brushes with alcohol before I use them, even if they are clean. I have a bottle of water just in case I need to spray a beauty blender or whatever it is. And I have brush cleaners. I use the one from MAC, and it comes in like a big bottle of pink solution. And all you need to do is just put a couple squirts and mix it with water to clean off your brushes. Alright guys, so that completes what's in my freelance makeup bag video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share this video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know down in the comments below like what other videos I should do. I definitely want to film more, work a lot, so that's why I haven't been filming as much, but definitely want to get back into it more.